Hi everyone! Yesterday I made a video talking about inlet that you can use to make the flow of your air goes directly inside the intake of your car. And today I want to show you how it works and how it looks like installing in the car, so you can make your opinion and see if it's important or not for you. For me it is, okay? Let's go. So here is the intake and the inlet pipe. So when you see the front of the car, you have the grille here, front grille, and you have the inlet, these two pieces of metal here that can get the air inside the grille and go inside the intake, directly into the intake. Okay, this is exactly this kind of is a kind of plate, you know, that capture the air and go and take the air inside the intake. So that's the main idea. It's pretty simple, very effective, and gives some extra power to the car when you are driving, especially in the roads. Okay. Well, guys, that's it. That's the idea of the video. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and keep following us for new contents and videos about Volkswagen Golf. Okay, I hope see you soon. Bye bye.